Okay, now we're going to experiment with the house design builder wizard, and we'll just start with creating a new project once again, blank project, foot and inches. If you double click on that, you should come up into your blank design view. You'll be in a 2D design view here. So you're going to click on the house icon here. You're going to start the house builder wizard, and you'll hit yes and next. And this will dialog here will ask you if you want to have a concrete slab, a full basement, or just a crawl space with foundation walls. So you can select 1, 2, or 3 floors. So we'll go with a 2-floor structure, and you see here that the view changes. If you go to a 3-view structure, the view changes. Notice that you have a ground floor, second floor, third floor. The foundation does not count. The basement doesn't count as a floor. Neither does the attic space. Okay, keep that in mind. So we'll go with 2 floors here. I have a ground floor and a second floor, a full basement, and there is some attic space. Okay, and we'll keep everything else default for now. We'll learn more about those settings later. We'll click next. Now in this next dialog, we can see we can change the shape of the house we're going to design. We can use regular rectangular house, L-shaped, U-shaped, and T-shaped. Okay, so we'll just go with for this example, we'll just select a regular rectangle shaped house. Now you can choose whether you want a garage or not, where the garage is placed. Okay, so we'll select the garage on the right. We'll hit next. Now this will bring up the next dialog, which gives us the dimensioning of the house, and this gives us a square foot calculator for the size of the building. Notice we have a length and width, and we have that times 2 because we have 2 floors. So we can change the size. So we can say this is a 50-foot length house with maybe let's try 30. So 50 by 30. We have a garage size, a double garage. You can use a single garage or a triple bay garage. So we'll stay with a double. And this dimension here tells us how far the garage is from the back of the house. And we'll let that stick out 10 feet since we increased the overall dimension of the B dimension. All right. And we'll hit next. This here you can decide whether you want a country style house, traditional or contemporary. We'll keep it country. Roof, this is the pitch of the roof if you want a flatter roof or a steeper pitch. The 1212 is the steepest pitch. Okay, or we can go with a little shallower 1012 pitch, asphalt, clay, or wood. So we'll stay with the asphalt. And we'll hit OK. We'll leave everything else for now default, and we'll hit next, and we'll click finish. Okay, and this gives you some information about how to add walls. We'll look at that in the next video. So we'll just take a look at our house here. So here's our 2D floor plan. We can see the outer perimeter wall in the garage. If we hit the 2D textured, we can see the garage on the ground floor has a roof, but this is the second floor. So if we go to second floor, we can see the roof of the second floor, or we can go down into the foundation view. Okay, so we'll leave that at the ground floor. Now we can go to our 3D overview, and we can see that we have a new house model, and we can go around using our navigation wizard to rotate around and move around in the house or towards the house and look at different angles as we begin to add features to this house and interior walls. Okay, we'll pick that up next time.